Alright, we are back. So we're going to leave everything in the app so we can see where we've come. So let's do something a little bit more interesting to kind of pique your interest, because one thing you want to use a window for, or an app, is to actually view information, viewing live information, whether it's the temperature or weather station, or anything you want, really. So let's do something dynamic. Let's change the color of Hello World when you push a button. So we're going to write a function. It's going to be color change. You can name this whatever you want. I'm just naming it color change. So a function looks like this. You want to do the def space, whatever you want, but it can't be space, so you have to do an underscore if you want there to be a separation, and then parentheses and a colon. You can also put something in the parentheses, but we can go over that later. It's not necessary for right now. So actually, first things first, let's actually we'll do that next. So let's just write a function that changes the color of Hello World if you push a button. We'll use red and blue. So let's see, red, I'm just going to define the colors. So red equals 25500 because of RGB, and then RGB, red, green, blue, so it'll be 00255. Alright, so now we defined what red is and what blue is. So now if we type in the word red, it will make a red color. Let's do if push, because that's what we called our push button, is push. Let's see, if push dot text equals push me. So if push, which is our push button, that's what we called it. So if push.text is equal to push me, which it is because that's what we put down here, then we're going to hello text dot color equals red, and then we'll do a little debugger, else print not working. So if we hit at 5, so if push.text, and it didn't work. If you look up in the documentation, I think you have to specify text color, and then let's see if that works. So push me, it does. So okay, so I goofed up. So this, you defining a function up here. So let's see, so you have to add the command option inside your push button object. So command equals, and then whatever you name the command. So color change, and then that should either work or fail, but it should give us something. If this doesn't work, if the push.text doesn't work and all that, then it'll say not working. So it'll give us an option, or it will give us not an option, but some feedback. But it worked. So if we want to change it to another color, we can do this. So if what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the name of the push button. So when I push it, it'll turn hello world red, but also change the name of the push button. Then we can kind of trigger something else. So push.text equals, so this up here is equals to. So we're seeing if push.text is equal to push me, which it is, as you can see down here. So now when I specify, when I want to change it, I just say push.text equals now red. Let's see, and that should work. And then if you go in here, if push.text equals now red, colon, then you want to hello text, because that is our text object down here. Let's see, dot text color equals, let's do blue, because that's what we wanted to do, right? So Control S, F5, so now it's black again. So it push me turns blue. So we might have to specify a if. Let's try that again. So if pushButton.text equals push me, which it did, hello text, which is our text object, equals red written over that, and then we change the name to now red. Now look at the push button, it says now red. Else if, that's what elif is, like this is else, this is if, so elif, so else if push.text is equal to now red, then hello.text equals blue. So we're going to push it again, and now it changes it to blue. And down here it didn't print, not working, because it is working.